Welcome to day 2. Today you want to reflect on our legs. Imagine yourself walking, running on the beach, running with your loved ones, playing, walking, moving. How much you can do with your legs. Imagine someone who doesn't have their legs, what they cannot do, but yet they have a strong attitude to move on with life. Now I want you to close your eyes and deeply reflect that if you didn't have the use of your legs today, how would your life change? How would the quality of your life change? If imagine right now you cannot move your legs anymore. And now be deeply grateful for your legs and move to action. What action points can you take to look after this beautiful gift of legs that you have? Exercise, the right food, check your vitamin D3 levels, looking after your legs, stretching it, making it flexible. Deeply reflect and deeply feel grateful for your legs.